Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Once more. Relax. Micro hold, to loosen your muscles, tight muscles, starting from your lumbosacral area. So any discomfort you feel, you let me know, huh? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Mr. Sakai, so after the whole chiropractic adjustment overall, so what is was the basic difference you're feeling?
I'm feeling more relaxed and my body is more soft.
Soft. You're feeling soft.
Easy.
You're feeling easy.
Easy.
And what about the rotations and stiffness you're feeling before?
The rotation, the bending, everything is moving more than before.
Better than before.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.